Hey y'all, welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. Today we have a different kind of video for you guys. It is a decorate with me, and we are decorating my tree. So I thought I would show you guys how I decorate my tree, what I use, and all that fun stuff. Just to give an idea, the tree is 7 feet tall. I'm only 5'2", but as I like to say, I'm not short, I'm fun size. So all you fun size gals out there, comment down below. Let me know, are you fun size too? So for my tree, it's pretty basic. We actually upgraded it like 2 years ago. We used to have a little 6-foot tree that I had bought when I was, okay, story time. So my first Christmas and my first apartment by myself, I had like 25 bucks left to my name. I was 18 and I went to Walmart and they had a 6-foot Christmas tree and a string of lights and they were both on sale. And I was able to purchase my 6-foot tree and my 1 string of lights for my $25. And that was a tree that we had for a very long time. So we have this beautiful tree now because we were in a house before. We used to live in a lot of base housing because it was small. So we didn't have like tall enough ceilings for a bigger tree. So we got this bad boy at Hobby Lobby on sale, of course. It is a slim tree, so it's not super wide. And yeah, so that's my tree for you guys in case you wanted to know. So on my tree, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put on these lights. And you know me, I love vintage. So these guys are just some vintage looking Christmas lights that I got Walmart, Ace Hardware. I want to say I got these at Ace Hardware on sale. So I string them up with my vintage lights. So I'm going to go ahead and put these bad boys up. And then we'll move on from here, so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me go around and around and around with Christmas lights. But yeah, we're gonna get started with these. So I got my lights up on the tree. Next up are these fun wooden beads. And you know I have a story for everything. These beautiful wooden beads were actually my mom's. They were on our Christmas tree growing up. And she passed them down to me. So I love to put these beads up on my tree. I think they're fun and they're festive. And they remind me of my mom growing up. So I got my lights and my beads. It's time now to decorate the tree with ornaments. Now, story time again. I usually decorate the tree with ornaments that we have collected over the years on our travels, ornaments that were handmade, given to us, ornaments my daughter made when she was a little girl, ornaments that I made when I was a little girl. But since we got our little girls, the puppies, we have been decorating a little bit differently, because they like to get into stuff and I don't want to risk anything sentimental being broken or eaten. So our tree usually doesn't have a theme. It's usually just a hodgepodge of memories, I like to call it. But since we got the girls, I actually switched over to fun Dollar Tree ornaments. So our tree actually has a theme now. I guess you could have a theme. And it's pretty much like reds and buffalo checks and plaids, which are all fun Dollar Tree ornaments. And that way if the girls get into them and they eat them or they break them, I'm not super worried about it. So maybe in a couple more years I can bring out these sentimental ornaments. But for now, Dollar Tree ornaments to the rescue. Okay guys, so these ornaments are sentimental to me, but I love them anyway. I'm going to put them up on my tree. These actually came from Marina over at Confessions of a Dollar Tree Addict. She sent me the 3-pack of ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I used my paint pen to put Tina and Dougal and Louise. So my babies are going to go up on my tree. So this ornament I actually made. It was one of my DIY projects from Christmas of last year. If you want to check out any of my Christmas DIY projects, I will link them in the description box below in the playlist. But it's a really cute wooden sled from the Dollar Tree that I cut out a calendar page and added some little greenery and holly to. So this one I did make, and I will hang it up on my tree. And question time, so for your guys' tree, let me know. Do you decorate just like the front? Or do you decorate like all of it? Because me, I decorate all of it. So the front, the sides, the back, everything gets decorated. Comment down below and let me know how you decorate your tree. Okay, it is all decorated. It is not super full of decorations because, like I said, they're Dollar Tree ornaments that I've gotten over the last couple of years. And $1.25 or even $1 back in the day, it adds up. So this is as many ornaments as we get for right now until the girls get a little bit more calm and I can bring out my traditional ornaments. But we're missing a tree topper. So y'all, check it out. My tree topper this year I got for $1 at my local thrift store. Look at how cute that is with that star. It's a wooden star that I got from the thrift store. So that is what's going to go at the top of my tree. As you can tell, my tree is a little naked down there. I need a tree skirt, but not any ordinary tree skirt is gonna do. You know me, I love vintage, and I got this vintage holly tablecloth. Isn't it gorgeous? I got it, I think it was $10 at a vintage and antique sale that I went to a couple years ago. So I'm gonna be using that for my tree skirt. And there's nothing that says it has to be a tree skirt. You can use a tablecloth. You can use a would really be cute would be a buffalo check blanket would be nice under there, or a plaid blanket. So you guys don't always have to stick with the traditional. Change things up. Use what you got, y'all. there she is, my Christmas tree. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed my Decorate With Me video. And stay tuned because I have a couple more coming for you for some other spots in my home that I'm decorating. And if you want to know, yes, this is my dining room chair and this is my dining room that we have the Christmas tree in. Our dining room is really kind of this odd, long shape. So there's like the dining room table over here and a walkway and then the space in front of a window. So this is where we put our Christmas tree because in our living room is where the crates are, where the girls and Dougal sleep or spend their time when we are away. So we don't have space in the living room. So it's here in the dining room, which is fine because our kitchen is right there. So we can still enjoy our tree when we're in our kitchen or when we're eating our dining room and enjoying our Christmas meal. So anyway, I will look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I hope you have a great day, a wonderful week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's completely free. It helps me out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. We have a lot of fun, laughter, shenanigans. It's your one-stop shop for your entertainment needs, y'all. And until next time, goodbye.